The Department of Public Works and Highways Southern Mindoro District completed the construction of a bridge in Pinamalayan, Oriental Mindoro, which can help improve the public's accessibility to transportation and lessen travel woes in the area. A SAPIT of Philippine Information Agency, Mimaropa, has the details.
A newly constructed bridge in Pinamalayan, Oriental Mindoro is expected to significantly improve transportation accessibility for local communities, boost economic activity, and enhance the daily lives of residents. Located in Barangay Lumang Bayan, the bridge was successfully completed by the Department of Public Works and Highways, Southern Mindoro District as part of the government's ongoing infrastructure development initiatives. According to DPWH Southern Mindoro District Engineer Annelyn Padulio, the completion of the bridge is in line with President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s vision to enhance connectivity between communities, especially those in remote or underserved areas. Meanwhile, project engineer Diosdado Romy emphasized the positive impact of the bridge on the local population. He stated that residents will now experience a more convenient and safer means of transportation, allowing them to travel to nearby towns and cities with greater ease. This is especially beneficial for students, workers, farmers, and small business owners who rely on efficient transport systems for their daily activities. Beyond personal mobility, the bridge is also expected to improve the flow of goods and services in the area. With a more reliable transportation route, farmers and local producers will find it easier to bring their products to markets, leading to increased trade and economic opportunities. Additionally, the bridge is set to support local tourism as it connects major access points to beach destinations and other tourist attractions in Pinamalayan, helping to boost the town's economy and create new livelihood opportunities for residents. More than 15,000 residents from nearby barangays are expected to benefit from the newly constructed bridge. From the Philippine Information Agency, Mimaropa, a SAPIT for Balita Pambansa.